Okay, today in this video tutorial we're going to look at recoloring artwork in Adobe Illustrator. There's a really nice tool for doing some really quick variations of your designs or your logos or your drawings or whatever you've produced in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to start off just by drawing some shapes here. So I'm not really too concerned about what the design is that I've got. I'm just going to make a circle, few different colors here. I'll duplicate this by pressing my Alt key and dragging. Means I can do another one, and Alt key and drag, do another one again, just making these progressively a little bit bigger, changing the fill and the stroke areas. So let's just change the color of this one here. Okay, and I'm just going to change the stacking order. I'm going to just send that one to the back, and I'm also going to bring this one to the front. Select them all together and just stick them on top of each other, centralize like this, and I'll just duplicate this group a few times. I just want to get a load of paths on the page to start playing around with these different recoloring options that we've got. So here we go. So say this is my logo or my artwork. So I'm keeping it fairly basic for this example. I'm just going to make this a bit smaller, and I'm going to duplicate these groups as well. So I've got 3 different versions of the same design, and by using the recoloring option in Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to really easily do some different variations of this. Now the key to using the recoloring option is actually to create some more color groups within your swatches. So I'm going to come down to my Swatch Libraries. Let's come in here. Let's say you want to do some beverage colors here, maybe there. So I'm going to grab a couple of these groups. Look, stick those over there. Let's have a look at some other ones. Maybe some. That's a bit boring, that one. Let's go to some with. Actually, let's go into our Pantone colors here. So we've got loads of colors to choose from in here. Let's grab some nice color variations here. Let's do some nice purples, maybe. Click on those, drag those into my swatches, perhaps some blue colors, drag those in as well. Now in my swatches, it's really important for this to work for me to actually put these into different groups. So you can see my groups down here in my swatches, and at the minute these are just at the top. So I'm going to click on the first one, hold down my shift key, click on the last one, and click on my little new group option. You can see it sticks them down there nicely for me. So say this is really important for recoloring, using the Recolor Artwork button. If they're not in groups, we won't be able to do this. Okay, so I've got a few different groups here. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and it's a really small button this, but I say it's a really effective one. Right up in my control bar, look, I've got a little Recolor Artwork button, which I'm going to click on, and you can see now down the right hand side it lists all the color groups that I've just made. So if I click on this one, you can see it recolors it using those colors, and I'm going to choose this one at the bottom, recolor, click on the blue. So you can see you can really easily and quickly do lots of color variations by using the groups. So I've got the same design, 3 different color variations using 3 different groups really quickly and really easily.